Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick tutorial and review on the Nailbliss press-on nails. I'm really excited about this one because I've been using Nailbliss for the past year and it has really changed my nail game. I absolutely love these nails, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply them, why I love them so much. So let's just jump right into it. Just want to let you guys know I'm a nail biter, so don't judge my nails, but I do, take care of them from time to time, especially with like prenatals and stuff. They do grow pretty fast. So this is what the Nailbliss container looks like. It comes with a variety of different sized nails. There's about 9 of them, and they come with 10 nails in each little container. I really like this a lot because this retails for about $8.99 at Sally's Beauty, and you're really saving a lot of money because a pack of nails can be $8.99 and you can only use them once. Also too guys, Nailbliss offers different shapes. This is almond. They also have stiletto, coffin, and square. I just recently discovered Wonder Bond. It's from Nailbliss. To my surprise, I had no idea until now. And trust me guys, I am very experienced when it comes to press-on nails and nail glue, and by far this is the best nail glue that you can ever pick up. It retails for about $3.99 at Sally's Beauty. It is a little pricey, but it lasts a long time and it actually keeps your nails on for at least 2 weeks minimum. I also like it because it has a brush-on applicator. I've tried so many different types of nail glues with like the long tips, and it's like a squeezy tube, and those just get super messy and the glue gets all over your nail beds and then it gets stuck onto your pants. I mean, just stay away from all of those. I mean, if it works for you, great. However, for me, the brush-on applicator was the best fit. So what you want to do is just apply a small amount of the glue onto your nail bed and then press on the nail. Just apply a little bit of pressure and voila, there you go. You have your nails. Another thing that I like about Nailbliss is that they do come clear, so they're not polished at all whatsoever. They're just shaped. And the reason why I like this is because I love nail polish. I'm a huge fan. I have a huge nail polish collection. And I really enjoy painting my nails. I love it. It is relaxing. It's kind of like therapeutic for me, but I love the idea of painting my nails. I love choosing a color. So I have about 2 coats of nail polish on each hand, and I love finger paint nail polish. It's by far one of my favorite brands. I think it is my favorite brand. I have so many polishes from this brand, and what I really like about it is that they offer a fast dry top coat, and your nails will be dry in about 2 minutes if you do apply around 2 coats of nail polish. If you apply 3, then it'll probably be dry in about 5 minutes. And you can also pick up finger paint nail polish from Sally's Beauty. It runs about, I want to say $3.99 and up. So here are the nails, nice and dry. It was about 2 minutes. I actually made some breakfast in the meantime. No smudges, nothing, and I'm ready to go. I can do whatever I want. I can do laundry, I can fold clothes. I don't have to worry about smudging my nails. So I actually use heel to toe for my cuticle softener and moisturizer. It's an intensive care foot softener. I know this is for your feet guys, but I mean, there's really no rule on here that says you can't apply it to your fingers. I absolutely love it. It makes my fingers less dry and soft and shiny and fresh. So this is it, guys. My fingers are all done. My nails are applied. They're stuck on there for the next 2 weeks, if not longer, depending on what I do. But I hope you really enjoyed this video. Again, this is Nailbliss. It's nails to go, and this is in the shape almond. It does retail for about $8.99. You can pick it up from Sally's Beauty. You can also get it online. I believe Amazon sells it as well. Always, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.